Meaning of Dada. Dada. Dada.
Dada. Dada. Dada is a cultural movement that emerged in the early 20th century in Europe, characterized by its rejection of traditional values and conventions in art and literature. The movement was founded by a group of artists who sought to challenge the prevailing aesthetic and cultural norms through their work. The term Dada is believed to have been coined from the meaningless syllables of a child's babble. Dadaists used a variety of techniques, such as collage, performance, and ready-mades, to create works that subverted conventional ideas about art and culture. The movement had a profound influence on the development of modern art and remains a significant cultural force today.